G'day my friends, how are you today? So this is what the Bronco Stug CD with the upgraded gun here looks like with a top coat on. It's only got a bit of a grey top coat. So I'm going to do it Panzer Grey, although it's a 1945 tank, because I'm going to put a winter wash over it. So I'm going to try a different method. I'm trying to find the perfect way to do the winter wash. So that's what I'm going to do with it. So, but it's just getting a sort of very slightly modulated grey, but it's actually come up pretty good with a bit of paint on it. Like, you know, building it did look bodgy. Just looked like a bits of kit, you know, everything was different colours and all bodgy looking and stuff, but it's actually come up pretty nice with the paint on it, which is what I suspected. And that's why I reserve judgment until it's painted, because I also noticed that with Dragon kits, that until you paint it, you don't really notice how good they are. But it's come up pretty good. The cannon's cool, so we can move it and put it in whichever place we want. And I've left them loose so we can put some crew in. And yeah, just cover it in awesome stowage. It'll look awesome. But not too bad, and it's not out of proportion or anything. Like those hinges there are really nice and good. Like on the Tamiya kit, they're huge. But yeah, everything looks a lot better, look more in proportion. I'll see if I've still got that Tamiya kit. Where is it? This is an old one I did. It's when I started modelling, so it won't look that great. But this is the Tamiya one. Here. You see what I mean with those hinges there? They're massive, hey? And that's the Bronco one. But even, yeah, so Tamiya, you've got no antenna, where they include one. You just got that plastic molded crappy looking thing, where that looks heaps better. Of course, you know, doing it yourself always looks better, but it just looks more in proportion and correct dimensionally. This is all dusty and old. This is not a bad kit, the Tamiya one. It's pretty good stock, but yeah, this is just as good. You know what I mean? And it's a hell of a lot cheaper. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. We'll have to repaint this one. This is the Tamiya B version. Looks like I put that on wonky, didn't I? Or maybe not. But yeah, this was one of the first kits I built when I started. I used to like Tamiya, and I got this Master Box kit, so I got these together. This was some of the first figures I painted. And then I also put on those beer bottles and all those hand grenades and stuff. Yeah, I'll have to redo it someday. I've got heaps of things to do though, so maybe someday, or maybe I'll just keep it as it is, you know, to remind me of how I used to do things. But this is coming along okay. So this is the Dragon M3 half track. But yeah, everything I do on this is a problem. So even putting this decal on, it all broke and fell apart. But you can see the warpage of the chassis. It's not huge, you know, but it does look a bit out of whack and all that kind of stuff. But I was thinking, you know, if I would incorporate it with this kit here. So we could even have this sort of a little bit crashed, you know, with a bit of a rock on this side or something, you know, or hit a tank or something like that. But she's coming up all right. I haven't given up. So this is the interior here. I've just a lot more advanced. So she looks pretty good. And I've got that front winch going, which is really cool. I like it a lot. And I've just used chain, my own chain, this stuff here. And I've, just painted that in chipping formula. Wrapped it around. And then I sort of, because I saw in a photo where they had the chain wrapped around there and hooked onto that, so I thought I'd do that. And then I've just got to put this on. But these have got to be removed or changed because these don't let you fit it on. Yeah, everything's been a problem with this kit. But once I get it together, you can see it'll look at ace. And we start to do some oils and all that kind of stuff, it will look good. Alright my friends, I'm very tired from work. And I'll keep modelling away and I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.